Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आमकां व्हडले व्हडले कामाची हे सवय जाल्ली आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. एवरी म्हयन्या 2 म्हयने आमी पळयता इनॉग्रेशन जायत आसता. जॉगर पार्क म्हणून ग्रीड सेपरेटर और सेकंड फेज ऑफ जॉगर्स पार्क नाव गोईंग ऑन तेजो इनॉग्रेशन जातलो. STP प्लांट येता, गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट येता. सो Dabolim is constituency is use of development.
Especially Mr. Maureen Gudino, Anchani Amka, they have taken into consideration ki Baba, wherever the railway work is done, they do it in the interest of the people. Bridges, under bridges, over bridges are only for the convenience of the people. I think it's a great honor that the leader like him, he thinks about people this way, and we railways are always ready to do the work proposed by the minister and MLAs or as per the need of the people.
First of all, I want to compliment the National Highway as well as the railways. Both of them jointly have done this in record time. Normally असली ब्रिज करपाक खूप टाइम लागता. जशें माझी मागणी आशिल्ली की हांगा ट्रॅफिक ब्लॉक जावपा जायना, but it is also necessary that you do the bridge. I am complimenting them that they did it in record time. आणि आज आमकां हें उद्घाटन करपाक मेळटा. हांगा नॅशनल हायवेचे आमचे बाब क्रिस्टोफर आसा, बाब अमोल आसा रेल्वेचे, ते तुमकां सांगतले क्रिस्टोफर की हांगा आमचे ब्रिज ऑलरेडी फ्लायओवर सँक्शन जाल्ले आसा. इट वॉज ऑलरेडी गोईंग फॉर टेंडरिंग. इट इज सम 480 crores. Yeah, 480 crores. But now it is going to cross 500 crores because we have asked for additional bypasses, 7 junction points where underpasses where traffic will flow freely for the people living in this area. म्हणजे कोणाक त्रास जावपा नाही.